Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Quadcopter Review. It's your host Pepeprawns. Just checking in with you guys. Take a look in the links below, in the comments below actually, and you'll see a link to my flights only / vlog channel. Also, I've been on vacation, so thus why the reviews kind of stopped for a week, but they're still coming. There'll be a lot more coming. Don't worry about that at all. But if you want to check out what I was doing while I was on vacation, doing some flights, just check out that link below. Go to that channel. Feel free to subscribe. You don't have to hit the bell if you don't want to, but do me a favor and go take a look at it. There'll be plenty of reviews still to come, and the Nirvana has started to ship, so I'm just waiting for an alert to say that it's actually shipped to me and to our previous winner, and then I can pick our winner of the Nirvana. It's something I won't be doing ever again as far as a pre-order goes, because I don't want to put you guys through this kind of thing again. So anything like that in the future, I'll make sure that I actually, you know, have it in my possession before I do those. So once again, I do apologize for the delay on the Nirvana giveaway, but it should be happening soon. So look for that, and look for more reviews this week, and thanks for continuing to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.